Hi there, I hope you're fine and dandy today. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Andrea from Ginger Pips, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really quick and nutritious snack, date boats. These are absolutely perfect for when those sweet cravings come a-calling as they do inevitably. Really simple, only 3 ingredients: dates, nut butter of some sort and cacao powder. Now, there's over 1,500 different types of dates, so which ones do you pick? Well, the ones that I recommend are the jewel dates. These you will find in most supermarkets these days. They are sweet and chewy, and they generally got what I think of as like a caramelly taste, so they're absolutely perfect for this. These date boats can be filled with lots of things. It is your choice. Today I'm going to be filling them with almond butter. I've picked almond butter because it's actually the highest calcium content nut there is, which makes it really good for building strong bones. Now, the almond butter I'm using today, you can buy it in the shops if you want. I'm actually using homemade nut butter, and if you'd like to see how this is made, just tune into one of my other videos about that. Finally, I'm going to dust them over with cacao powder. Now, cacao powder is different from cocoa powder. When you have the cacao bean, which is what chocolate is made from, cacao powder is what comes out of cold pressing that bean. If you want to make cocoa, it's basically roasting this cacao powder, so cocoa's got no enzymes left in it. So okie doke, let's crack on. For this recipe, really simple, all you need is a knife, a chopping board and a spoon in terms of equipment. In terms of ingredients, simply dates, cacao powder and almond butter. Now, I have actually done some of these already because I thought you wouldn't want to sit through me chopping a load of dates. So the first step is basically to de-stone them. Now, this is done when you've got your date, it's got a stone in the middle. So with a knife, cut the lengthways down the date, carefully minding not to cut your fingers and also not going right the way through the date as well. Open it up, and either with your knife or with your fingers, I find it easier with my fingers, simply take the stone out, and there's one date ready to go. I'm just doing this for the remainder. Okie doke. So I've done this, I've already de-stoned the remainder of the dates that I've got. So now it's time to fill it. Now, like I said, I'm using almond butter for these. You can use most nut butters. You can use whole nuts, like a whole Brazil nut. I've even seen people put cream cheese in these. So you can basically fill them with whatever you want. But here's, I'm just using almond butter. So take a sort of like half a spoonful, squeeze it into the hole. I have actually done some earlier to speed things up a bit. So I'm just going to put these onto my plate as I do them. Now for sprinkling of cacao powder. Just gently sprinkle them over. And now they're ready for eating. Fantastic. I'll try this one, thank you. Absolutely delicious. Now, these will keep for quite a while in the fridge, but if they're anything like in our house, they will be gone really quickly. So I'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you would like to see more videos that I'm doing, if you'd like to subscribe to this channel, if you want to be notified when any other videos are released, please press the big red bell button. Otherwise, I will see you soon. Bye!